Chapter 11 States of Matter. New to know. States of matter. Changes in states of matter. Solutions. There are many things around us. All these things have different sizes, shapes and color. They have mass and occupy space. All these things are matter. Any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter is made of tiny particles. These tiny particles are called molecules. The way in which these particles stick together determines the shape and weight of matter. States of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid. In solids, the molecules are packed very close to each other. Therefore, they have a fixed shape and size. Book, pencil, car, stone, etc. are solid. Wonder box. The underground water is mostly safe and fit for drinking as it passes through layers of soil which makes it pure. Add-ons. Powders are solid but they can flow like liquids. Liquid. In liquids, the molecules are not so closely packed as in solids and are free to move about. That is why liquids do not have a fixed shape and they take shape of the container in which they are kept. Water, juice, oil, milk, etc. are liquids. Gases. In gases, the molecules are very loosely packed. That is why they can freely move about in any direction. This can make them flow. They do not have fixed shape and volume. They can occupy all the available space of containers in which they are kept. Changes in states of matter. The three states of matter can change from one state to another. Let's find out how. When we keep ice tray filled with water in a freezer, it changes into ice after few hours. Why? This is because liquid changes into solid when its temperature is decreased. This process is called freezing. Matter is any substance that has mass and occupies space. Molecules are tiny particles of which a matter is made up of. Know your scientist. Hippocrates invented the first water filter. He made a bag filter which was called the Hippocratic sleeve. The main purpose of the bag was to filter water by trapping undesired sediments. When we keep an ice tray in open, it melts and changes into water. Why? This is because the heat in the atmosphere increases the temperature. The solid ice turns into liquid water. This process is called melting. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. Why? This is because heat increases the temperature of water. This process is called evaporation. When this water vapor is cooled down, or its temperature is reduced, it becomes a liquid. This process is called condensation. Solutions. When a liquid dissolves a solid substance in it, it is called solution. The solid substance that dissolves in a liquid is called solute. The liquid in which the solute dissolves is called solvent. Evaporation is the process of changing of a liquid into a gas. Condensation is the process of changing of a gas into a liquid. Solution is the mixture of a solute and a solvent. Substances that get dissolved in water are soluble and that do not get dissolved in water are insoluble. Salt and sugar are soluble while sand and chalk powder are insoluble. Final learnings. Any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. The three states of matter can change from one state to another. When a liquid dissolves a solid substance in it, it is called solution. Substances that get dissolved in water are soluble and that do not get dissolved in water are insoluble.